welcome back to a new tested video. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Daniel.
And today we're making mini
No Bake Cheesecakes.
It's a very easy recipe that creates little to no mess. So let's get into it.
Test it, they'll test it, anything you see. Test it, post a video every single week. Healthy and unhealthy, just for you and me. Test it, anything you see.
So step one is you'll need to take a half cup of heavy whipping cream and beat it in a small bowl until whipped cream is formed.
You can use a hand whisk or an electric whisker. Today we're using a hand manual one. Now we're gonna pour this into the bowl and we're gonna whisk it until whipped cream forms. Now, your heavy whipping cream should be this consistency, a little bit of a thicker whipped cream, and you can put it aside to rest now.
For step two, you're going to need to add a half cup of sugar to a large bowl, and along with that, you're going to have to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You're also going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese or half a cup of cream cheese to add to the bowl, and a teaspoon of lemon zest. So now we're gonna make the crust for the cheesecake. So you're gonna take 1/3 cup of graham crackers and you're gonna squish them up and make them all crumbly. And then you're gonna add that into a bowl along with 1 tablespoon of butter. And now you're gonna mix it until it forms. So your crust mixture should look like this. It should still be a little crumbly, but the graham cracker should have more of a warm brown tone. And now we're just gonna add it to the bottom of our cups, and your cups should be about this size. So now we're gonna add our filling to the cups. I would do 1 scoop of each, so 1, and then another one into the other cup until there's no more filling left in your bowl.
Now that we've put the crust and the filling in the cups, we're going to top them up.
It's taste test time!
So now we're going to try our mini No Bake Cheesecakes, and we're going to give you guys an honest review of how they taste.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, my first opinion is that it's not too sweet and it's not too bitter. So it's a perfect in between. And the consistency is really good. It's like silky and easy to eat.
Yeah. Personally, I really hate really sweet cheesecakes. That's why I don't eat cheesecakes a lot. So this one not only is really fast to make because it's no bake, but also it tastes good and it's not overpowering. So it's pretty even.
Yeah, and it doesn't make much of a mess either. We didn't have to clean up at all throughout this video. It was just bowl, done. And so I highly recommend you make it. It was very quick and easy to make and it tastes really good.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.